River Neisse. In the extreme south, the Germans had been forced back into Austria. By the 6th of April, the Russians were knocking at the gates of Vienna. Hitler had ordered the city to be defended to the last man. In the event, the Russians took the Austrian capital after just 1 week's fighting, the climax being the storming of the Schönbrunn Palace.
Oh, Joe!
His attention was now concentrated on the ultimate prize, Berlin. At 3 o'clock on the morning of the 16th of April, 1945, 16,000 Russian rocket launchers, guns and mortars opened fire on the German defences east of Berlin.
Oh, Joe, you leave her alone.
The Red Air Force